So let's move on quickly to the video. Now, as you can see the topic, we're going to talk about some of the cool tips and tricks related to the Excel function, which are very much basic but really very useful for beginners in Excel. We're going to start with some of the shortcut keys related to the tables, and then we will do interactive designing and icon settings. After that, quickly we will learn to remove the duplicates in table and sort the table color wise. That's very important. And on the same page, we will learn to remove multiple blank cells and unwanted objects and pictures in one command only. So let's start. Now here you can see a small database to make you understand how we can make table with one command. Just click anywhere between the data and press Ctrl T. Now one window shall pop up. As you can see, press OK. You can see the table has been created. Now go to the design. See, many options are available which you can select to change the design of your table. If you want to select a row of table quickly, just press Shift and Space. Something like that. And for column, you have to press Ctrl and Space. This is how it is simple. Now, for icon setting, select a column or cell and then go to the conditional formatting. Something like that. Yes. And go to the icon set, and now you can see a lot of options are available which you can use to give the icon, as you can see on your computer screen. You can do this column wise, row wise or cell wise. Now let's move on to the next point. Sometimes it happens, as you can see, that you have a big data and you will see many blank rows which are unnecessary and we need to delete them. So deleting them in one shot, please press F5 and then one window will pop up, as you can see on your computer screen. Go to the special and select blank. Press OK. Now you can see all the blank rows of sheets has been selected. Now press right click. You can delete them in one go. Something like that. Okay, now sometimes it happens when you copy any data from other sources or any website along with the necessary data. Some unwanted objects or photo are also get copied, which you want to delete them. Now there is one way to delete them, that select them and delete them one by one, which is of course irritating. Now to delete them in one go, press F5 again and one window shall pop up. Now this time go to the special, select object, and you will see automatically all the objects and picture has been selected automatically, and you can simply delete them by pressing delete button. Let's move on to removing the duplicates in your table, as you can see here. And now for this you have to go to design, and left side you can see there is an option of removing duplicates. One window shall pop up. Uncheck all the columns and select only those columns that contains duplicate. Now yes, something like that. As you can see on your computer screen, I am selecting name and then press OK. Here you can see the result with a message that duplicate has been removed and unique values are remained right there. Press OK. Okay, now many times it happens that when you are working on database, you mark many rows containing important data with some certain color to recall them. You can also sort these tables according to their cell colors. To do this, go to the Home tab and on the right corner, press Sort and Filter. Something like that. Select Custom Sort and one window shall pop up. First choose the column you want to sort by, as I am doing here, and then sort on. There is an option of cell color. Now you have to choose the color which you want to see on top. Here you can see two colors and I want blue to be on top. Now again to sort another color, I will press Add Level and repeat the same exercise as you can see on your computer screen, and this time I will sort by another color which is available on the table. Now I will press OK and you can see the table has been sorted according to the cell color wise.